enter the branch code and click on the login button. First is the account tab. Create. When you click on the create button, this will create the new account for the customer. This contains the account head, account type, account category, and it is all following details. Account opening details will contain the account opening details of the customer. Will contains the nominee details. Account facilities that are being provided by. After filling all the records, we click on the save button. Second is view. Selecting one of the record and click on the view button, we can view the record. Edit. Selecting one of the record, we can easily update the record of the customer. Authorization. Again we have to select one of the record and we can authorize the record. Second is voucher cash entry, which contains the first cash payment entry, which contains the cash payment voucher and is all following details. When you click on the save button, all the details will be saved. Cash receive entry, which contains the cash receive voucher. Following operation will be performed, we have to fill up all the details, and when we click on the save button, all details will be saved. Transfer entry, which contains the debtor record and all these records, credit records and all the following details. And finally, when you click on the save button, the records will be saved. Inward clearing, which contains all the details related to the inward clearing, and when you click on the save button, the records will be saved onto the database. Outward clearing, again we have to fill all the details, and finally when clicking on the save button, the records will be saved. Authorization, which contains the type of the voucher, and we can easily authorize the type of the voucher according to the date provided into the panel. Cancellation voucher. In order to cancel a voucher, we have to select one of the voucher and specify the details, and easily we can cancel the voucher. Fixed deposit. In the fixed deposit record, in order to open a fixed deposit record, window will open. We can easily do FDR entry. Second is modify. Selecting one of the record and clicking on the edit button, we can easily modify the record. Authorization. Selecting one of the record again, and when we click on the authorize button, we can authorize his or her records. Next is a loan master. First is the education loan for the students. We have to fill all the details, and when click on the save button, his all details will be saved into the database. Second is a loan. All loan details will be entered, and finally when you click on the save button, his record will be saved. Modify. We have to select one of the record, and when you click on the edit button, his records will be modified. New loan scheme. A new loan scheme that are being issued by or shown by the bank, and when we click on the submit buttons, the new loan scheme will be entered into the database. Next is the bank. When you click on the create button, this window will open a bank registration panel and contains all the details, and when you click on the save button, a new bank registration will be saved into the database. View. Selecting one of the record, and when you click on the view button, related records will be viewed. Edit button. Similarly, when you select one of the record and click on the edit button, his data can be updated or modified. Next, branch. When we click on the create button, we can create a new branch register. That means a new branch record, and when we click on the save button, his record will be entered into the database. Second is view. Selecting one of the record and clicking on the view button, we can easily view the record. Edit button. one of the record and click on the edit button, we can modify this record. Authorization, we have to select one of the record, and when we click on the authorize button, that record will be authorized.